guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is JavaScript variables in Google Tag Manager. The term variable is used to denote a helper function that your tag, your trigger, or other variables can invoke. So it is simply like a variable in computing which holds some value till you execute the program. Okay. So in GTM we basically have two JavaScript variables. The first is custom JavaScript variables, and the second is normal JavaScript variables. By the name itself, custom JavaScript variables are those variables which you can create on your own, that you passes the data and you retrieve the data that is not actually available. And in JavaScript variables, you can only access the data that is in the browser, that the browser holds. You cannot create something on your own, unlike custom JavaScripts. Okay, so we will have a look at it. Yeah, so say this is my website, and I click on say window. So we have this list down here, and if we go to global, we have this say HID. So what we are going to do is we will fetch this HID. So we write window dot ga global dot HID. Sorry, HID. So we will get this, and we will copy it from here. Copy, and then okay, I've created it. Uh, we can go to this variable, and then we can select this JavaScript variable from here, and then we can simply paste it over here, window.ga global.hid, and then we can save it, and we can preview. Okay, so variables, uh, where is it? Okay, here it is, JID. Okay, and okay, yeah. So we get the ID as load as our window gets loaded. Okay, so we have it here. We are done with the JavaScript variables. Now let's see custom JavaScript variables. So we'll choose one from here, and you need to write some code here. Currently I'm just having a demo, but you can, what actually do is you can access your customer ID or your purchase ID or anything which is important. Okay, I'm just performing a demo here. So what we can do is we can create a function and return, say, let me return custom JavaScript variable. Okay, so it is ready. Let's name it custom JavaScript and demo. Save it and let's preview it. Okay, so let's click on variables. Yes, we have our custom JavaScript run the very moment the page gets load, and we have this. Okay, so we are done with both the JavaScript and the custom JavaScript. Okay, thank you.